Hi guys, I hope you are all doing well. Let's see today's question. So today's question we are taking this up from the topic of conics. And in this topic, if I talk about the concepts, we are using the idea of parabola. So if I talk about the question which is given to us from this topic of parabola, the question tells us that the vertex of this parabola is at 2 comma minus 1, and the equation of directrix of this parabola, it is given to us as 4x minus 3y equals to 21. So that is the equation of directrix given to us. And the further question tells us to just find the length of latus rectum. And if I talk about the answer choices that are given to us here, the options are 2, 8, 12, and 16. So we need to figure out which one of the answer choices is the correct answer for the length of the latus rectum which is asked to us. So let's see the solution and understand how do we solve this question further. Before starting off with the solution, I would first like to tell you that please do subscribe to my channel and support the channel as well, because it takes lots of efforts in making these videos for you on everyday basis, and it is free for you, but it also motivates me to put up a better content and try to make the solutions as easy as possible for you to understand them in a better way. Let's see how to solve this question. So if I see here, I have been told that, let's say there's one parabola. Let's say this is your x and y axis, and let's say this is your parabola. The vertex of this parabola, it is given to us as 2 comma minus 1. Now you would say this is origin, but let's assume this is your coordinate 2 comma minus 1. We are drawing a general parabola to understand the question. And they have also given us equation of directrix. So equation of directrix, we know it is at the same distance as the vertex and the focus. So basically, as the distance here between the vertex and the focus, we know it is a, because your focus point is a comma 0. So your distance between the directrix and your vertex is also this distance, which is a, right? And we already know length of latus rectum, it's nothing but 4 times a. So we just need to figure out this distance between the directrix and the vertex. The equation of directrix is 4x minus 3y is equals to 21. And I see that directrix is basically nothing but the perpendicular distance that we are finding from this vertex point 2 comma minus 1. So let's see. So if I just find the perpendicular distance, I know it is mod of, in the numerator, I will convert this in the form of equals to 0. So this equation of directrix becomes 4x minus 3y minus 21, and dividing it by square root of coefficients of x and y, square of coefficients of x and y, so 4 square plus 3 square. That if I see, I know I have to find the perpendicular distance from this point of vertex, which is 2 comma minus 1. So I'll put x as 2, I'll put y as minus 1. So if I do that, I get 4 into 2, minus 3 into minus 1, minus 21. And this becomes square root of 25. Further, if I see the perpendicular distance which I get from here, it is 4 into 2, 8, minus 3 into minus 1, which is plus 3. So 8 plus 3, 11, 11 minus 21 minus 10. Divided by square root of 25, which is 5. Mod of anything we know, it is always positive. So that comes out to become the distance is 2. And that distance, it's nothing but this distance A. So I get the value of A. And once I have the value of A, I have to just find length of latus rectum. That comes out to become 4A. So 4 into 2, which is 8. So I get the answer to this question which is asked to us, and that basically, if you see, matches with option B. So B becomes a correct answer for the question that is given to us here. I hope you understood how to solve this type of questions. It was a pretty easy question. We just needed to know the concepts properly. So we just found the distance, the perpendicular distance of that vertex from the line, from the directrix. From that, I got A, and once I got A, I know length of latus rectum is just 4 times A. So that gave me the answer to become as 8. And that makes option B as the correct option here. I hope you have understood how to solve this question. I'll see you again tomorrow with some other question from some other topic. And we are going to continue our series of questions on JEE mains. So stay tuned for more videos to roll out. Also, if you're enjoying these videos that we are doing every day, please do like the videos as well and do subscribe to my channel and share this channel with your friends also who are involved in the preparation of questions on JEE, so they can also take the benefit from these questions which we are solving on everyday basis. Thank you.